Check this house out, guys. I just closed on this house yesterday, and let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. So this is what the houses look like original when we purchased them. As you can see, original tile, haven't been painted, very outdated. This is a house from the 70s, right? So everything's original. So you see the kitchen behind me. This is original cabinets, old appliances, old countertops. So if you were fixing and flipping, you'd want to take all of this out and you'd want to update it. If you're keeping it as a rental, it would be your call. You'll get more money, obviously, if you renovate it more. In this specific case, I'm buying this house for $130,000 from a motivated seller. They contacted me from a postcard we sent out. Actually, the owner's son contacted me, and the owner was just done. They had this as a rental. The tenant moved out, and they just wanted to get rid of it. I bought it from them for $130,000, and I wholesaled it to one of my students for $145,000. So that's wholesaling. It's a quick flip, making a quick $15,000. I can show you how to do this at my Wholesaling Real Estate Bootcamp. I got a link right below to show you how to get started wholesaling. Click on that button, and I hope to see you there.